Oh, good lord. Doing work on this iPod Touch. Just not really doing work on it, just messing around with it. And holy mother of God, these things are the biggest pain in the butt to work on. They by far are the worst Apple product as far as how it's put together. Horrible. Look at this tiny little speaker too. It might be one of the smallest Apple speakers ever made. Besides like the ear speakers for the iPhone 5 and 6 and whatnot. Pretty tiny. Motherboard. Some antenna stuff up front. Camera. Real similar to like the iPhone 4. Interesting.